Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing sort of a new coin. It's called Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ACI, I think they want to call it. Right now it's Fetch. But like we see here, Fetch.ai, SingularityNET, and Ocean Protocol have collaborated to establish a superintelligence alliance. All tokens will be consolidated to create a universal AI token, the ASI. So I don't know why it was below stacks. I don't know. CoinMarketCap has been kind of funky lately, but we could see it's at a $2.2 billion in market cap. I think this is the second AI coin that we speak about. The first one being near. Volume in the 30s too. Circulating supply is 2 billion. So I'm not gonna really go over much of the like the tokens itself, because they're still kind of they're doing like a merger, and you gotta get, if you have like Ocean and Singularity, you're gonna switch to Fetch, and then with Fetch you're gonna get ASI. So it's a lot of stuff I don't want to get into. Maybe we'll get into a video of it later, but for now let's just go over what we see here on the screen. So all-time high, it broke it 5 months ago. It was at $3. From the all-time low, it's up almost 10,000%. It's had like a huge year this year, up 300%. All time, well, it's not up that much. Okay, but I want to go over it in terms of market cap. The price here was at the highest it's ever been, like 3.2. But if you go on market cap around here, the 328, it was a 2.7, and right now is a little bit lower, 2.2. But even when it was like a 3.7 billion market cap, it was still down in price. So what this tells me is that they are selling and creating inflation and selling. And I'll kind of go over it here. So there's token unlocks. There's only 2% locked. 41 has been unlocked, and then there's a 56% that is untracked. So almost 1.4 billion, like more than half. We can see the allocations, so like advisor, foundation, founders, future releases, mining, rewards, seed round, private rounds, you name it, they have it for someone. And the selling is not going to stop until like 2026. And here. So there's like kind of small unlocks, and it says here like future release, mining rewards, so all of these are kind of mining rewards, which I kind of don't get this then, like who future releases like from the founders and that kind of stuff too. I still gotta figure that out. But so what is Fetch? So we'll go over Fetch, Ocean, and Singularity. I kind of wanted to split everything up, but all the other coins are like too low, so we'll go over everything today. Hope you stay with me. So Fetch, founded in 2017 and launched via IEO on Binance in March 2019. Fetch is an artificial intelligence lab building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with a crypto economy. Fetch.ai democratizes access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure databases by using autonomous AI to execute tasks that leverages its global network of data. The Fetch.ai model is rooted in use cases like optimizing DeFi trading services, transportation network, parking, micromobility, smart energy grid, travel, essentially any complex digital system that relies on large scale databases. So these are the founders. I don't really know them that well. So what Fetch is a utility token. FET was assigned to find, create, and deploy and train digital twins as an essential part of smart contracts and oracles on the platform. So we could see the IEO here. There is I could have sworn I saw how much he raised before, but I guess not. Anyways, they have a good decentralization score, 84, one of the highest we've seen. We have the holders here. So they have staking, foundation, Binance has 6%, 5%. These are probably their wallets too. Bybit, OKX, and everyone else. So we see here, I want to go over this because it says it has like medium risk, so it looks like they have a mint function, which we saw that, I think it was with Pepe that we saw that. Hidden owner, so I haven't seen this one. It says the token has a hidden owner address for contracts with a hidden owner. Developer can still manipulate the contract even if the ownership has been abandoned. So definitely something worth taking a risk. Not taking a risk in researching it. For any blockchain experts that know it, and then function that suspense trading. I think we saw that with Pepe too. If a suspendable code is included, the token may neither be bought nor sold. So I don't know if they put this now for like the new merger, but let's see what we find. So basically what Fetch.ai is like a lot of like AI agents, and we'll look at some of their AI agents. I was using them today, and I know they're still in beta, but they're kind of clunky. So they have like all different like services. They have a travel booking agent, deep parking manager, EV. Like they have all these different types of agents, like weather oracle agent, everything. So these are all kind of like their networks. This is coming soon. Oh, the analytics I wanted to see, but it's coming soon. So this is new. So like their blog, I like that they updated like fairly recently. This is their newest post. I don't know why these ones. So if you guys have ASI and want to see their like kind of what to do or like the next process, if you haven't gotten ASI or Fetch yet, definitely worth reading these articles. But this was kind of their newest article, and it talks about Agentverse and Delta V, which we will go over now. And then these are their ecosystem partners. I have not heard of any of them. Maybe Osmosis I have, but I haven't heard of like any of the other ones. And then these are their founder, CEO, CTO, Humanji Sheikh, Edward, Kamal, and Maria. So yeah, that's about it. So let's get right into Delta V. So I tried testing Delta V because I don't want to be like these people or like these like YouTubers that they just, I mean, no offense to them, but You just kind of talk about the coin and don't use it. So I try to use it and like use their products, see if I would like them. And I will say I would use Delta V. Not gonna lie, I will definitely use it. I use ChatGPT avidly, and if this is something that's better and more streamlined than ChatGPT and not like not redundant, because it's not redundant, but if it's more focused on what I want, then I'll definitely use it. But you can see here they have all these different kind of like functions, and this one was to find the holiday destination. So it asked me like what city I want to go to. I said like San Diego, how many people were going, 3 bedrooms I want one, what amenities I want, and I just said like close to the beach or like walking distance, maximum amount, and I just said like no maximum, just to see. So they asked me for the check-in date. I put the check-in date, I put the checkout, so everything is here. And it says, please, thank you, please wait, and I'm sorry I could not finish. The AI provided is having some trouble. Reset the chat. So I did this, and then there's another one that I'll just reset the chat. I did check the stock price, and the same thing happened. And then I tried to do like holiday destination again, and the same thing happened. So it's really clunky. I hope they fix it because it looks good. I've used a lot of my coins. I think I started with like 1,800, and I used the chat a couple of times just to like see how it works. And I have misused my funds. And then this is the Agentverse. So I've created like a couple of agents. They have stats. I don't want this. So explore. They have it was like 13,000 with the inactives, but they have like 17,000. But with the only actives was like 1,000 something. So I guess people are using it. I don't know how many of this is like even the same person. I don't know how to research that, but I already created 2, so I guess I have 2. All right, so that is what Fetch is. Fetch. Let's go into Singularity. So about SingularityNET was founded by Dr. Ben with the mission of creating a decentralized, democratic, inclusive, and beneficial artificial general intelligence, an AGI that is not dependent on any central entity, that is open for anyone and not restricted to narrow goals of a single corporation or even a single country. So SingularityNET team includes seasoned engineers, scientists, researchers, entrepreneurs, marketers. Our core platform and AI team are further complemented by specialized teams that avoid its application areas such as finance, robotics, biomedical AI, media, arts, and entertainment. So this is the team. This is Ben, this is David, and everyone else kind of on the team. These are their partners: Filecoin, Fetch.ai, VChain, Cardano, Cisco. So they have a lot of partners. This is a roadmap. This is something, one of my biggest pet peeves in all of my research is when they have this. Please check later for updates, and then completed, and the last like completed thing is like 2013 Q1. Just looks like they just stopped working on the project. I obviously know they haven't, but I would like some update on the project. And then this is their ecosystem. I did this one was pretty cool. I went into their website. It looks pretty cool. Or was it this one? One of these. And I will say, when I was first researching Singularity a while back, a lot of these were not working, and they since then have updated it, and most of the websites are working, so kudos to them. So it does look like they are working on some stuff. So I'm not really gonna, pin that on them, but we see here. So this is dope. I do believe that what they want to do, and I'll show you guys later. So this is one of the things they have, and another one. I don't know, I want to do the machine learning one. That's okay. At least know that all these are kind of like working. So I like that. And the about, no, not the about, the technology here. So what they are is an open and decentralized network of AI services made accessible through the blockchain. Developers publish their services to the SingularityNET network, where they can be used by anyone with an internet connection. Developers are able to charge for the use of their services using the native AGIX token. Services can provide interfaces or model training across myriad domains such as image, video, speech, text, time series, bio AI, and network analysis. The services can be as simple as wrapping a well-known algorithm, a complete end-to-end solution for an industry problem, or a single AI application. Developers can also deploy autonomous AI agents that interoperate with other services on the network. So they have like an AI marketplace. Basically, it's like an AI marketplace for like apps. So like think about ChatGPTs, like the different apps that you can use. Basically, is that. So I think it's pretty cool in my opinion. So these are kind of like everything that you can use. And yeah, that's about Singularity. I like it. And the last one is Ocean. No, now. Right here. So Ocean. Sorry about that. So this is Ocean Protocol. So here are the founders. And 1 second. Where was that? So Ocean Protocol, basically what they want to do is they want to power your like own data. So what they argue is that all these major companies have your data and you get nothing to show for it. So they kind of want to like democratize and give you like your data, or not your data, but you can monetize and do whatever you want with your data. So society is becoming increasingly reliant on data, especially with the advent of AI. However, a small handful of organizations with both massive data assets and AI capabilities attain varying levels of control, which is a danger to a free and open society. We aim to unlock data for more equitable outcomes for users of data. Using a thorough application of both technology and governance, our team and community is committed to kickstarting a new data economy that reaches every single person, company, and device, giving power back to data owners and enabling people to capture value for data to better our world. So Ocean does a good job. So right now in Q3, they're gonna launch Ocean Notes. So that's pretty dope. Have a lot of advisors. Damn. And so this is kind of their marketplace. So this is I didn't buy any of these. I'm not gonna lie, but kind of here is like all the sales that they have for different datas, which I think is amazing. And this is Ocean Predictor. So accurate price predictions for your favorite crypto assets. So the last week has had like a 50% accuracy. So yeah, I mean, if you want to use them, you could connect your data. They have all these different wallets that you can connect to, and maybe predict Bitcoin's price and wherever it's going. So let's see. So I think that's pretty much about it. they have like these different kinds of ways to like use your data and everything. And I wanted to do this with veterinary owners and like their animals, because like a lot of the different companies for Canon, Merck, Trupanion, all these companies have so much data on them, and like the client is kind of gets screwed over in a way, or they just don't know how to use their data, and these companies monetize off them. That's okay, but I would also like for owners to use their data however they please, and I experienced that firsthand. So the fact that Ocean is doing it is a big plus. So what you guys came here to see, price prediction. Probably people already skipped this and just want to see the price. So like this scares me a lot, because there's still token on logs, and like we see the market cap go up and the price just fall flat. So I don't know. I think AI is definitely gonna be like a big boom and like a big buzzword. It still is, like in the next couple of years. So I don't see them going down, but I also see like a lot of competition in this space. So like this is this is so messed up. They're just like using their followers or like people that buy and just like dumping on them. I have a friend that really trusts him and says this is gonna be the next big thing, and he's usually right in a lot of these things, so I will trust him. I just don't see how it's sustainable, really, but I do think it's gonna go up, at least so like more than $1. It could definitely go back to its all-time high. I don't see why not. Definitely well over $10 billion market cap. This one is definitely should be a top 30 coin over a lot of these other coins. So I think that's my prediction. Probably definitely at least $3 to $5 billion in market cap. As for the price, maybe $1 or $2. I don't know, because it looks like they're gonna keep dumping. So let's see. All right. Hopefully you like this video. I know it was a lot. I tried to make it as short as possible, but I couldn't. Anyways, if you stayed here watching, thank you so much. As always, I really appreciate it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. And without further ado, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.